Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix the extended attributes are inconsistent error on Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, and even Windows XP. This error usually appears when you try to open certain apps, install programs, run setup files, or sometimes even while launching built-in Windows tools. Many users get confused because the error message doesn't clearly explain what's wrong. But don't worry, this method is simple, safe, and works in most cases. So let's go step by step and fix this issue. First of all, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type msys.cpl and then press Enter. Alternatively, you can also click on OK. Now, the sound settings window will open. At the top of this window, you'll see multiple tabs like Playback, Recording, Sounds, and Communications. Here, click on the Sounds tab. Under the Sounds tab, you'll see a section called Program Events. This section contains a list of all system sounds used by Windows. Scroll down slowly through this list until you find Windows User Account Control. Once you find it, click on Windows User Account Control to select it. Now, look just below that list. You'll see a Sounds drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu, and from the list of options, select None. This will disable the User Account Control sound, which is known to cause the extended attributes are inconsistent error on many Windows systems. After selecting None, click on the Apply button. Then click on OK to save the changes and close the sound window. Now, make sure to close all open applications. For best results, restart your computer so the changes are fully applied. Once your system restarts, try opening the app, program, or setup file that was previously showing the error. In most cases, you'll notice that the extended attributes are inconsistent error is completely gone, and everything works normally again. This fix works across multiple Windows versions, including Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, and Windows XP, and it does not require any third-party tools or command line changes. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.